Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will be completing the C++ basic syntax. We will be compiling and executing our first program, the C++ keywords and tree graphs in C++. So let's begin. C++ basic syntax. As you can see, I have written a sample code over here. So what does the first line means? The first line indicates that we are including the libraries. Like in C++, we used to include conio.h. Similarly, we are using iostream over here. The second line says using namespace std. Standards means. So this is a new thing in C++. It means that we are allowing the namespaces. Then we are creating a function, main function. Over here we will be writing with curly braces. We have opened the curly braces. We will be writing our statements in it and the curly close brackets over here. So this is a basic syntax of C++. So now let's move to code blocks over where we will be compiling and executing our first program. We have opened our code blocks. So we will be creating a new project. Click over here. We will be going to console application. Next, then it gives a selection on which language you want to work, C or C++. We will be working on C++. Then next, so we have to put the project title. So we will be writing first program. Then we will be going next. So it says, okay, that was the first. I will be writing first program 1. I will be getting next. So we will be selecting our compiler. So we have a plenty of compiler over here. Then we will be doing finish. So go to sources and main CPP. So you have seen that we got a sample code over here. So I will be just removing this. Now, first of all, we will be including our libraries. Include iostream. Then we will be using namespace std. Now we will be initializing our main, that's a function. Then I will be, like in C we used to do printf to print something on the screen, but in C++ we will be using cout. So hello everyone, welcome to edutainer. So this is a syntax for writing or displaying something on the screen. So now we have 3 buttons over here. This is for build. That means first of all we will be compiling our program. Okay. So our program got compiled with 0 errors and 0 warning. The next one is for running. We will be running our program. So as you can see on the screen, we got hello everyone, welcome to edutainer. So our program got run, means that you have run your first program in C++. And the third one is a combination of compilation and running. So instead of pressing one compiling and running, you can press this button. So you have done your first program in C++. C++ keywords. What are keywords? Keywords are the reserved words, means that you cannot utilize this keywords or you cannot name the same keywords with a variable. Okay, so means a variable having a similar name of the keyword cannot be used. We have plenty of keywords like ASM, else, new, operator, throw, switch, template, namespace. So you cannot name any variable with these similar keywords. Tree graphs. What is tree graph in C++? It is another representation of the hash, backslash, curly braces, open curly braces brackets. Means you can also use this as a replacement of hash. So these are the C++ tree graphs. Thank you.